In this video, we'll walk through a solution for an RV bathroom faucet leak. I was having a strange random leak under the bathroom sink in my Keystone Bullet 243 BHS. This had shown up on occasion when it hadn't rained, and we simply couldn't recreate the issue using the faucet or black tank flush in the same area. Every so often, we would see a small amount of water on the floor under the sink for no apparent reason. Hey everybody, this is John Marucci. I made the jump to traveling with my RV back in 2016 and have never looked back. I've had my share of problems along the way, and this channel attempts to be what I wish I had when I started out. So let's go ahead and jump in. This past winter while camping in Florida, we decided to tackle this issue. After some research, we did find a video from the Wandering Wagners who walked through a similar issue and solution. We'll put a link to their video in the description. After watching the video, we noticed that they also had the original plastic bathroom sink faucet with the plastic threads. Apparently, some of these threads tend to leak. The Wagner solution was to replace the faucet and some of the PEX pipe. This seemed like a good idea. You know, I tend to think that the best RV mods are the ones that should have been done from the factory. The bathroom sink replacement would be included in this statement, since you can pick up a very nice metal faucet at a big box home improvement store for not all that much money. Even if your RV bathroom faucet isn't leaking on occasion, you may still want to do this upgrade for the big jump in quality from a plastic faucet to a nicer metal one with a solid feel. With that said, let's get into the steps taken to do this faucet replacement. Here are the tools and supplies needed to do the job properly. Some of the tools are fairly expensive, but can be reused on other RV plumbing projects at a future date. They are a good investment in your toolkit. You can find these tools and supplies at a local hardware store or on our Amazon storefront. Be aware that the length of the flex hose is based on how much PEX pipe you have under your sink. The below is for my Keystone Bullet 243 BHS. Your supply needs may vary. The first thing you're going to need is a PEX pinch clamp tool. Next, some PEX pinch clamps and a PEX pipe cutter. Also, some Teflon plumbing tape, a tape measure, the new bathroom faucet, and two 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch male adapters, and two 12-inch flex hoses with female connections. Here are the steps. First, turn off the water to the RV. Next, go into the bathroom and under the sink and unscrew the existing hot and cold PEX pipes from the original faucet. Next up, remove the old faucet and set it aside. Remember, there will likely be some water still in the faucet, so be aware. Next, measure the length of flex hose against the disconnected original PEX pipe. Mark the original hot and cold PEX pipe from the threaded side to the needed length. For my Keystone Bullet RV, it was roughly 10 3/4 inches. Measure twice and mark the PEX pipes accordingly. The next step is to use the PEX cutting tool and cut the original PEX pipes at the marks on both the hot and cold pipes. The next step is to insert the new PEX pinch clamps on the newly cut PEX pipes, one on the hot side and one on the cold side. Insert adapter in each cut pipe and snug the pinch clamps up to the adapter. Next, put Teflon plumber's tape on each of the threads. Our next step is to use the pinch clamp tool and tighten down on the pinch clamps on the PEX tube and adapter. The next step is to remove the new faucet from its packaging and remember to put Teflon tape onto the threads of the new faucet. Next up is to insert the new faucet into the sink cutout so that it lays flat on the sink. Next up is to thread the flex hoses hand tight onto the new faucet threads on the hot and cold sides. Next is to thread the flex hose hand tight onto the adapters on the hot and cold side. Make sure you keep straight the proper hot and cold hose to connect to the hot and cold side of the plumbing lines. Our next step is, if it all looks correct, Tighten the flex hose slightly more, about a quarter turn, with a wrench to ensure a good seal. Do not over tighten it. Turn the water on for the RV and inspect the connections for leaks. If no leaks are seen under the faucet at the new connections, test the water flow from the new faucet. That should do it on replacing your bathroom faucet. You know, we've enjoyed this new faucet very much and would recommend it to anyone who's interested. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button. We'd love for you to join the On the Road team by subscribing to the channel. If you want to dive deeper, we put more content and photos on Instagram and Twitter at John Marucci. Also, don't forget the great travel resources, podcasts, and blogs available on johnmarucci.com. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. This is John Marucci, and so long for now.